Mateen Cleaves was arraigned on charges alleging he raped a woman and held her against her will inside a Flint area motel room.
And while Cleaves was in court today, our cameras were not allowed at the order of the judge. It's an issue Wayne County Prosecutor Kim Worthy called a, quote, backdoor secret hearing. Let's get to Jermont Terry right now. And Jermont, do we know anything about bond in this case?
Kimberly, Cleaves is out tonight on a personal bond. Now, the alleged sexual assault took place at this motel. The prosecution argues that Cleaves brought the woman to the room, but once inside the room, he would not let her go. Now, if you take a look over my shoulder, there are cameras right outside these rooms, and those cameras apparently captured the woman trying to escape partially nude. Now, the manager tells me that the camera also shows Cleaves trying to calm the woman down and bring her back inside the room. Now the question is whether or not this was simply a misunderstanding or sexual assault. The MSU star and former NBA player left court in a rush, officially charged. Mateen Cleaves faces several years in prison if convicted for unlawful imprisonment and several counts of sexual assault. Back in September 2015, prosecutors argue Cleaves brought a 24-year-old woman to this night's inn in Mundy Township. Cleaves is accused of restraining the woman, sexually assaulting her before she escaped from the room. We stopped by Cleaves' house. No one answered. He was supposed to get arraigned on the charges on Thursday, but the court quickly changed the hearing. That sparked a scathing response from Wayne County Prosecutor Kim Worthy. Worthy's office took over the case due to a conflict of interest by the Genesee County Prosecutor. Worthy said in part, "We do not approve of a secret proceeding unless it is prescribed by law. This was an agreement with all parties that the defendant would turn himself in and be arraigned in open court tomorrow, not for him to have a backdoor arraignment. The public has a right to know, and frankly, I'm extremely disappointed that this was handled and so clandestinely today." Cleaves' attorney believes there is some showboating going on due to the fact that his client is well known.
So far, Mr. Cleaves' name has been brought and dragged through the mud.
His attorney insists they will not try this case in the media and maintains Cleaves is innocent.
We'll deal with it in court. I'm a big boy. We're ready to fight. Now the fight is on.
Now, there is a key witness in this case. A woman who was staying in the room next door heard the screams and called 911. Cleaves entered a not guilty plea at his arraignment today. Reporting live in Mundy Township, Jermont Terry, Local 4.
Now, Jermont, do we know anything further about the relationship that Cleaves had with this woman? Do we know where they met?
We do, Kimberly. According to the prosecutors, they're saying that Cleaves met this woman at a charity golf outing earlier that day. They left, went to a bar, but she was under the assumption when she got in this car that they were going to go back to that charity golf outing, but they ended up at this motel instead.
All right, Jermont, we appreciate it very much.